When you've been hard at it all day, gang, what better than to unwind and stretch those muscles? McVitie's Go Ahead. Caramel crisp bars, smothered with chocolate, yet 85% fat-free. And 100%... They're rich, smooth and tasty, just like me. So go ahead, people. Make your day.
At the MFI Homeworks half-price sale, you'll find prices cut by up to 50% on an amazing range of Hygiena kitchen and bedroom cabinets, together with top-name Schreiber kitchen and bedroom cabinets too, which means you can really afford to give it the works at the MFI Homeworks half-price sale, now.
Morning, Felix. What do you want?
Felix. He'll let you know.
Nice little away win there. Oh, £50,000 playing football forecast. Nice result for someone. Oh, the Express, of course. Tomorrow's paper there with a free fixtures pocket guide. That's handy. Well, the Express tomorrow, that's the one for me. I'll be buying it, I tell you.
American Adventure World, where real adventures begin and anything can happen. It's adventure beyond imagination.
It's the Textile World Summer Sale. These embroidered towels are now half price, starting at an incredible $1.99. The Textile World Summer Sale. Don't miss it.
With up to a further 20% off many sale prices, the House of Fraser sale ends on Sunday.
Get in.
We all love photos. It's getting the right camera that's tricky. At Boots, each new APS camera comes with a simple promise. If it doesn't suit you, just take it back.
Like snaps. Hate hassle. Love Boots.
Since we introduced the CellNet First program on May 27th, people have been calling to join in record numbers. 9 out of 10 joiners are joining First for families or First for firms, with free savings of up to 50% on calls. And who wouldn't want that? Join CellNet's First, and for £9.99, we'll give you a new Ericsson phone. All you have to do is dial this number now, or visit a leading dealer or retailer.